Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't have a script for this video. This is all coming off the top of my brain because Hail the Sun just came out with a new single from their new album titled Divine Intertention. It is out August 11th, and this is the latest single from those releases before the album comes out. I really wanted to talk about this one in particular because Jesus Christ. They did it again. Donovan has this very special way of letting us into his heart, his mind, his soul with all of these songs. And this one hit really close to home because the second that I finished it, I was like, this song is about OCD. I know that because I have OCD, but it's always been something I've carried throughout my life, something that I can't control. It is obviously an issue where you want to have some semblance of control and your mind sort of tricks you into thinking that you have control by going on these endless loops of whatever it is that's bothering you. So the first time I heard this song, I was in the middle of it. The lyric, "The more I give up, the better I feel," stuck out so much to me because it's how I feel most of the time. I have struggles with maintaining this YouTube channel, with maintaining many normal aspects of my life because of my OCD and the way that I have a hard time dealing with it. So I just want to listen to the song with you guys. This isn't necessarily a react because I have already listened to it a couple times, but of course with Hail the Sun, there's always things that you miss when you listen to it the first and second time. So hey, we're probably gonna find new little things together. So let's press play and get into the analysis.
Running out of reasons to tell myself for the things I can't explain. Dwelling on the moments I keep replaying in the hopes that maybe they'll change.
Dude, that part, that section right there, it hits hard. It hits my soul hard because I have this issue myself where I will constantly replay something that happened, hoping that it'll somehow change, even though there's no possible way you can change a moment that has already happened. But literally, this is maladaptive behavior. It's something that you can't help. You really can't help it. It's really hard to overcome. But I love how he's able to put it into words. It's so, yeah, he speaks for all of us.
I keep replaying in the hopes that maybe they'll change. Far as I can see, I'm a puppeteer, trying to control what I can't bring near.
Yes. One of the main issues that I have as an OCD sufferer is trying to control things that I can't.
So I finally stop, let go of the wheel. The more I give up, the better I feel. There's no turning back, I've broken the seal. The motion I can handle, the motion I can handle.
There's something about that chorus. It feels hopeful. It definitely feels like, hey, we're letting go of control. The illusion that we have control of anything. Let go of the wheel. You know, it's really hard to put these feelings into words, but Donovan did so well with this song. I am just enamored.
The motion I can handle.
it just feels like he is literally writing all of my struggles into this song, and that's why I feel so strongly about it. And I felt like I needed to make a video. Usually when I'm trying to make videos, this is something that I have a really hard time with, because I have a lot of information that I want to put into something, and even when I finish making it, I feel like there's things that are missing. There's so much that I could have done, so much that I didn't do, that I it's that thought that every creator has, but it's to an obsessive degree. And he really nails that home with that verse right after the chorus. It's, yeah, I can relate. Do I care too much to leave it alone? That's how I feel all of the time.
I care too much to leave it alone. There's a narrative I always need to know. Maybe it's that I obsess on figuring out every person, place, or thing I've grown to doubt. But I finally let go of.
What I really love about the chorus is that it kind of gives you that sense of relief of when you're able to stop these compulsions, when you're able to finally just let it go and say, okay, we're working with what we have right now, and you can stop all of that extra stuff. And this is a feeling that you rarely come upon until like you're at the end of your latest cycle. So I love this song so much. It has put into words the struggle that I've tried so hard to explain to the people in my life, and it's really something that you can't explain rationally. It sounds like a lot, but this song is my feelings. It's all of my feelings recorded on a song. How Donovan got inside my brain, I'll never know, but it makes me feel connected to them in that space. Once someone is able to put into words the way that you feel, it's like it connects you on a greater level. And that's one thing I will always love about Hail the Sun. It's not just this song about OCD, it's multiple songs that can reach into that really dark space and rationalize it for you. It's beautiful. Anyway, let me stop rambling.
I finally stop, let go of the wheel. The more I give up, the better I feel. There's no turning back, I brokered the deal. The motion I can handle, the motion I can handle.
Yes. I love this section too, because you know there's a breakdown coming.
Stop obsessing on what's not important. Stop obsessing on what's not important. Stop obsessing on what. And so I give up. I give up. Tap twice, blink and look right side. I shut the door twice.
Especially this part right here, it's literally talking about compulsions. Thank you, Donovan. Honestly, thank you for removing the stigma on mental health and mental health conditions that a lot of us deal with. I think it's beautiful that he's able to speak about these things so transparently and in such a passionate way. I want to be like you when I grow up. I really love his ability to tap into those really dark feelings and just put it out there. A lot of us can relate, and you're doing so many of us a favor by doing this and allowing this to be the forefront of one of your songs. It's beautiful. I keep saying it's beautiful, but it's just how I feel. Yeah.
Tap twice, blink and look right side. I shut the door twice for this one and that one. Alright,
Yes. A lot of us do different compulsions because there's an intrusive thought in our brains that is telling us, hey, if you don't do this, this will happen. If you don't do this, it's gonna mess something up in the future. And for him to put it like this, it's insane. I actually have the same intrusive thought where if I don't finish something that I've been working on for months, I just can't put it up at this point. I have like 3 videos that I have shelved that I've been working on for months that I probably won't ever put up because of that thought, that obsessive thought that it doesn't matter anymore. You've been working on it for 5 months. It's too late. You've passed the limit. And yeah, it's that feeling. If I don't do this, I will fail. And those obsessive thoughts are so hard to combat. Yeah.
I finally stop, relinquish the wheel. The better I feel. I finally stop, let go of the wheel. The more I give up, the better I feel. There's no turning back. I've broken the sea.
Oh yeah, give me that harmony. That was beautiful. Yeah.
No turning back. I've broken the seal.
Oh, that's more of a call and response. That's not so much a harmony, but it's beautiful still.
The seal. The motion I can handle. The motion I can handle.
Ugh, this part especially, it's like a note to self. It's telling you, like, I don't need control. I don't need to fear what is coming. This song makes me feel understood. And I think that is one thing that I am always gonna love about this band. I feel like, yeah, I just feel understood. I feel heard. And I feel like somebody gets it. Like, you get it. I don't have to fear what I don't know. I feel like I'm constantly living in fear of what I don't know. And as a content creator, that is one of the most debilitating things I can think of. And I deal with it every day. I do think that this song has given me the hope and the optimism that I need to continue doing what I do. I just really wanted to show my appreciation for Hail the Sun because this song is a masterpiece.
The motion I can handle. The motion I can handle.
And that is one primal scream at the end there. I love it. That's how it feels inside my head sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. No one asked Ryan Reynolds, okay? No one cares. I did this video as a way to remind myself, essentially, that despite all of the things that we all deal with on a daily basis, we still have so much to offer to the world. Hail the Sun has these beautiful lyrics, these beautiful songs to contribute to the world. And if Donovan let his OCD or whatever mental struggles that he has get in the way of that, you aren't helping anybody, you aren't helping yourself, you aren't being true to yourself. So what I'm taking from this song is hope. Hope that we can all overcome this, that we can all show the world that you don't have to be in control at every single moment to feel like you did something. Life is uncertain, and we have to just let go of the wheel and let things unfold the way that they will, but also don't let your mind be the thing that holds you back in life. We all got shit we're going through. You got shit, I got shit, your mama got shit. So just proceed. Let go of the wheel. Thanks for watching, guys, and please listen to the Divine Inner Tension album when it comes out, because this album is gonna blow your face off. It's going to blow your face off, I can promise you that. Bye, Ryan Reynolds. It's really funny too, because I have this video that I've been trying to make about Hail the Sun and its true crime related songs. I've been making it for a month and it still hasn't come out. Just write a comment down below if that's something that you actually do want. I think sometimes I have a hard time with self-validation and just following through on the things that I want to do. It's why my channel is kind of dead. I'm doing my best. We'll get there. We'll get back there, I promise. I'm gonna do a reaction to Divine Inner Tension when it does come out, so be on the lookout for that. And have a good one, guys. Have a great day. I love you. Mwah.